Hey Fox, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Microsoft Edge which is not working in your computer, okay? Let's start. First is you need to be in your Microsoft Edge. And then at the upper right side of your computer, just have to locate on this three dots which contains the settings and more and just simply scroll down to locate settings. And once you're being redirected here, just go to the left side of your screen and scroll down to locate reset settings. And then go to restore settings to their default values and click on reset. Okay? So once done, you need to close this everything and then you need to restart your computer and then go to your Microsoft Edge again and try to search if it is working again. Try to browse anything, okay? But if it's still not working, then let's go to the next step, which is to settings. Scroll up, then double click to open. And once you are being redirected to your settings, just simply look at the left side of your screen and locate apps. Then go to installed apps. Then here you need to search for Edge. Okay? So once you're here, you need to click this three dots here to see more options and click on modify. And your user control will ask you to allow this device to make changes. Just simply click on yes. And then click on repair. And now it is start on downloading Microsoft Edge. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.